Having a sales funnel is almost a guarantee of having a successful online business. So be it selling online courses, membership programs, or even physical products, the sales funnel is very, very important. So in this video, I'm going to do a review of a product which I think is fantastic, but it has to pass my test first of a successful software when it comes to building online businesses. All right, guys. Oh, before I forget, if you'd like to purchase Cartflows, the link to that is in the video description below. You also get a bonus course when you purchase it using my affiliate link. All right, let's dive in. Let me show you how Cartflows works, and let's see if this is really going to impress me. All right. Okay. So over here, I am on my website. I've already gone ahead and installed Cartflows. This requires you to install two plugins, the basic one and the pro, because the pro allows you to have extra features, and you also need to have WooCommerce to work with this. Okay. So first of all, when we go over here to Cartflows, we notice this simple layout here. So that to me is a plus because I can see my revenue here. I can see my order bump revenue. So this is really good. Now over here on the top, if we go over here to flows, so the flows here are the actual funnels themselves, and you can have unlimited funnels on this system. Okay, so here is where you can add new ones. And then next here on the settings, this is where you can add your Facebook pixel and Google Analytics code, which I think is fantastic. Now, one of the most important parts here is to choose your page builder. Now, what you find in these funnel products is it comes with their own sort of like a page builder, which to be honest is nowhere near close to the advanced page builders we get with Divi or even Elementor. So having the connection between this software, which is Cartflows, and allowing you to build your designs using your page builder, to me is a plus. And over here we can see there's Divi, and you click here on the drop down. You also have Gutenberg, Beaver Builder, Elementor, and so on. So in my case, I use Divi. So this is where you would go ahead and select it. And then over here, we also have templates. So you can see here. So over here, we also have quite a lot of templates that you can use as your starting point. But to be honest, I would like to see a bit more templates here because these are not a lot. So having a bit of variation in terms of template designs here would be a good thing. But overall, I really like the fact that I can choose a template and use that as a starting point in my design. If I need to delete it or delete certain sections, that's fine. So this is very good having these templates over here. Okay, so let's create a funnel. So I'm going to come over here to flows, click on add new, and I'm going to use a template that already exists here. So I am going to go with this one right here. And notice what happens. I can also see what the template has in its design. So this is a big plus. I really like that. So that's going to be our landing page. And this is going to be our checkout page. And again, it gives you an idea of what this is going to look like. And then finally here we have the thank you page. So this is a basic funnel. So it has a landing page, checkout page, and thank you page. All right. So if I'm happy with this, I can go ahead now and click on import flow. So let's give this a name. So I'm just going to call this Mac import. And this now is going to import the templates onto my system. Okay, so as you can see, we have our landing page, checkout page, and thank you page. This is fantastic. So the question now is, if we need to go in and customize these landing pages, checkout pages, thank you pages, how easy is it? Okay, so let's see how this works. So I'm going to come over here now and click on edit. And then the next step is edit with Divi. Fantastic. Now, so far, I really love the fact that it's pretty much integrated. As I'm going now to edit with Divi, this now is going to bring the design template that I imported initially. And now I can go in with the Divi builder power and start designing my landing page. So now I can go in here and delete X sections that I don't need. So for example, this is the landing page. I don't need this logo. So I can go in and delete that. And this buy now button, I can delete that. And let's say I want to get rid of this row as well. I can just go in and delete it. Now over here on the text, I can go into this text here and customize this text. So I can change this to whatever I want. So as you can see, I'm just typing some gibberish here, and this is how you easily update it. And if you wanted to change the colors, I can just click here on the section settings, click on background, and I can change my color right away like that. That's a bit too much, you know, but this is just showing you how easy it is to go in and change all these colors. So just with a few clicks, I've gone in and I've changed my colors. So this is a big plus because I like the fact that we can use existing page builders to create our landing pages and also design them and make them look really, really awesome. So all the modules that we have in Divi can work now on these landing pages. Okay, so that's our landing page. So let's take a look and see how we can actually add our product on our checkout page. Okay, so back over here now, we have our checkout page. So I can go in now and click on edit. So I can see here no product is assigned, which is also good because it's telling me right off the bat that I need to add a product. Okay, so I can come over here to products and then I can create a brand new product. So this product here can be pretty much anything. It can be a physical product. It can be a course. It can be a membership product. It can pretty much be anything. So I'm going to call this Mac Consulting. Then I need to add a price. So Mac Consulting is quite expensive. 997. Okay, so pretty much that's all I need to do here. And then I can hit publish. Okay, so now that I've created my product, I can just close here. I can now add my product here. So we called it Mac Consulting and here it is. Add product. So now our product is here. I can now click on save settings. So just like what we did before, we can also go here to edit this page with Divi. But what's important here is these extras here. Notice that we can add order bumps. We can also add a checkout offer and so on this actual checkout page. Now let's see how easy it is to do that because these are the features of a very, very good funnel building system. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and let's click here on order bump. So we have different styles here. So I'm going to enable the arrow and now it's time to design it. So first of all, I'm going to hit save and then over here on the order bump, I'm going to enable it. And here is where I need to choose my product. So you need to have created the product already. So here I can select it like that. It's 197. So the discount type here, I could say discount percentage. And I could add, say, 50% discount here. And then I can also select an image here if I needed to. And I can choose an image, which is in my media library here. So let's say this course is about maybe making bread or something. I'm going to hit select. And this is where I'll add my information. And if I hit save, it'll be very interesting to see what this looks like. So let's take a look at this design. So I'm going to come back over here and hit view. So I'm going to take a look here. So as you can see here, we have our order bump. And the great thing is we can go in and make even further customizations. You can add a dotted line around it. You can add all sorts of designs, colors, and so on. So this gives us a lot of design flexibility. And for me, this is a massive plus because having the ability to customize my checkout page, add testimonials, add videos, and all of that is going to ensure that it's going to convert very, very well. Now, let's say you are pretty much selling an online product or a digital product. You do not need to have all these fields here. So let's see how easy it is to go in and remove them. So I'm going to come back over here on my checkout page and I'm going to go to form fields. And then here I can disable additional field. I can also enable the custom form editor. So this is where now I can disable what I don't need. So I can just click here on this I. And as I'm doing this, this is going to disable all the stuff that I don't need. And then I can just drag this here to the top, hit save changes. And within a few clicks, I was able to go in and make this change to my checkout page. Now let us refresh this and see what this looks like. And just like that, I've managed to remove all those fields. So all I'm left with now is the first name, last name, and email address. And then over here, I can add a coupon code if I need to, but if I don't need to and I don't have one, I can also disable it by coming over here on the settings. So I can now uncheck coupon field, save settings. Now, you see how easy that is? I really like the fact that I can just go in and just do that easy. Okay, so now that I've refreshed this, you're going to notice now that I don't have that option. So all I have now is my checkout, and I can also have this order bump any way that I want. So I can have it above here, I can have it below here, pretty much I can have it wherever I want, and I have that flexibility. So this is really, really cool. Now, the other feature that makes funnel building very, very effective is the ability to have A/B testing. So let's take a look and see how A/B testing is done in Cartflows. So over here on our landing page, ideally you want to have different versions of your landing page to see which one is performing better than the other. So to activate A/B testing, you click on these three little dots here, and then you can see here we have A/B test. Click on that, and this now creates a clone of the landing page that we have on top. And you can see here we have the split test. So this is where now you can go into the landing page clone, you can name it whatever you want, and then change the design to make it different from the control. And again, this is using the page builder of your choice, be it Divi or Elementor. And once you collect all the data that you need, what I highly recommend here is to make sure that you choose which one is better based on the amount of traffic that has come to that landing page. So ideally, you want to leave this running for quite a while and then decide which one is working better. So A/B testing, very, very easy to set up. And again, this is a massive plus. Another feature, in my opinion, that is very important when you're running a sales funnel is the ability to take a look at your stats. And this has to be in a very, very easy way. So let's take a look here. So over here, you can see this is my funnel. And remember, we named it Mac, and I can always go in here and rename it. So on this particular funnel, I can go into analytics here, and this will show me the analytics of what is happening on this actual funnel. So here we have our landing page. And if I click on this little arrow here, this is going to show me my split, which I set up a few moments ago. So this is the main one and this is the clone. And it also tells me how my checkout page and my thank you page is working. Okay, so let's say at later on you decide, you know what, you want to make your funnel even more sophisticated and test things out. And perhaps you want to add an upsell or a downsell. Let's see how easy it is to add these steps. So to add these steps, all you have to do is to come over here, click on add new step. And this now is going to take you to this page right here. And we have now these upsells. So here I can choose my template. So this could be an ebook upsell. You can click import and this will import it. If you need to add a downsell, you can just click here on downsell and you can add your downsells just like that. And all these downsells and upsells also have templates. So in my opinion, this is a very, very easy system to use. And this is also drag and drop, which means I can just drag things here and this becomes the order of how things are going to be working on my funnels. Okay, so right now we have our split test, of course, and then it goes to the checkout page and then the thank you page. So as you can see, this is very, very easy to set up. And in my opinion, this is the best system out there in terms of ease of use, the pricing, and also the fact that you can see all your stats. This is incredible. Okay, so this setup here works for products where you can just buy one time and pretty much that's it. If you want to have a subscription, you would now need to go and purchase an extra plugin that works with WooCommerce, which is Woo Subscriptions, which again costs money just in order for you to have that subscription option. Now, for me, this is a bit of a problem because that means I'm spending even more money. And because I have invested in WooCommerce, that's pretty much all I have. I can't really go out of WooCommerce if I need to have this functionality because Cartflows works with WooCommerce. So if you want to have any sort of a subscription service, then pretty much you need to spend a bit more money for Woo subscriptions, add it onto the system, and this is how you're going to add that. Out of the box, this would not work if you want to have subscription systems. So this is a negative if you want to go into subscriptions. But the good news is the team at Cartflows is working on an independent system that allows these subscriptions to work without buying a Woo subscription. So this is going to be a part of Cartflows. So I can't wait to see that. And as soon as it's released, definitely you are going to see an update here on this channel. So pretty much this is a solid system. I've been using this for years now, and it is very, very powerful. So overall, I would give Cartflows a 9 out of 10. I know that seems crazy and way too high, but the reason is it's solid. And secondly, basically it hasn't given me any problems, and the team over there keeps adding more features. And like I said, they're going to be adding the subscriptions, which means you'll be saving even more money as time goes on. And this is going to be part of Cartflows. So basically with Cartflows, you can have everything that you need in order for you to have a sales funnel system. That means your upsells, your downsells, your order bumps, your checkout offers, and so on. Very, very powerful. And the greatest feature of all is you can use this with your existing page builder. And to be honest, that's a massive plus. So that's my take on Cartflows. Let me know what you guys think in the video comments below. And perhaps I may have missed something, but of course, this was just a review. I did not want to really go into the ins and outs of setting it all up from scratch. That's a video for another topic. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.